Well, good morning, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest Hazardous weather briefing for Northern Lower and East Upper Michigan. Today is Monday, the 26th of August, 2013. Well, we're still looking at periodic thunderstorm chances across all of Northern Michigan from today now right through Tuesday night. Now, a widespread severe weather event is not anticipated at this time. However, isolated severe storms are possible, especially during the day Tuesday. We'll look at that graphic here in a second. And in addition, with a very moist air mass in place, locally heavy rainfall at times exceeding 1 inch per hour is possible with any thunderstorm activity through this period. Taking a look at the current weather map, you can see subtropical high pressure centered off to our southeast, and this is bringing abundant moisture northward from the western Gulf of Mexico and the tropical Pacific, and that moisture is combining across the area to kick off showers and thunderstorms just south of that cold front you see dropping out of Ontario. Now, the most extensive area of showers and thunderstorms is spreading across eastern upper and central upper Michigan at this early hour, and that area of showers and thunderstorms should slowly progress south and east, spreading across the remainder of northern Michigan through the early morning into mid-morning hours, bringing locally heavy rainfall and once again isolated severe thunderstorms, although it looks like right now the majority of the weather today will be sub-severe, with heavy rainfall being the main threat. And then by Tuesday morning, the next complex of showers and thunderstorms moves into the area from our west. And it is this system you see here over Minnesota, with the cold front dropping, another cold front dropping out of Canada, that will combine forces with the abundant moisture to kick off perhaps a more significant severe weather threat as we head through the day on Tuesday. Once again, locally heavy rainfall will remain possible right through the period. You can see that with the rainfall on this 3-day precipitation graphic, with amounts well over an inch anticipated across almost all of the forecast area, especially across northern lower Michigan, where amounts may exceed 2 inches. And this is from today right through Tuesday night. Now, of course, with thunderstorm activity, locally higher amounts are indeed possible than this graphic shows here. Regarding the severe weather potential, like I mentioned earlier, we're not expecting any widespread event today or tonight, perhaps an isolated severe storm, especially this morning. Things begin to change a little bit during the day Tuesday, with the latest day 2 severe weather graphic highlighting a slight risk of severe weather that just touches areas from like Grand Traverse Bay down to Standish and points southwest from there. And this will be primarily during the day Tuesday and Tuesday afternoon, with damaging wind gusts and large hail a possibility in that slight risk area. Now, across all of the area, of course, as mentioned earlier, heavy rainfall remains a distinct possibility through this period. Rather busy weather graphic this morning, with today scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially this morning. There may be a rather substantial break in the activity as we head through the late morning and afternoon hours. Very warm for this time of year. Not quite as warm as yesterday, but still widespread 80s to perhaps lower 90s across the region, with partly sunny skies. And then recapping those hazards, once again, thunderstorms is the hazard. There will be periodic thunderstorm chances right through Tuesday night. Widespread severe weather is not expected at this time. However, isolated storms are possible, severe storms are possible, especially during the day Tuesday, and locally heavy rain is expected with any of the stronger storms that move through the area. Now, this concludes the Hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. Your next update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.